Still nothing. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave the key on. I'm gonna get a screwdriver. I'm gonna hit this solenoid here and see if it'll jump over and it'll start. So we're going to replace this solenoid right here because it's not making good contact when we're trying to turn the key over on the ignition and get it to start. So here's the new part, and the old one here. Old one had a part number on it. I'm not sure you can see that, but it's SAZ4201BR. And then the new one, this one has a 1008J with a 12 volt indicated on there. And they're about the same weight, they're about the same size and everything, so I'm pretty sure they're equivalent. These look pretty generic. It's called a glow plug relay in a lot of places, and then if you Google starter solenoid, it'll come up with there too. So I'll put a link in the description to where you can find one of these on Amazon. I'm sure you can get them other places as well, but if you want it shipped to you, they can have Amazon send it to you. All right, now I'm going to head and put it on the truck. So I got the new one put on. It's pretty easy. Just got 2 bolts that screw into the firewall here and here, and then there's 4 wires. Two go to the starter, and these 2 other ones I think an ignition. And there's your glow plug relay, new one installed. Let's go ahead and see how it fires up now. Alright, looks like that did it. Hey, if this video helped you, please go ahead and subscribe and press the like button, leave a comment, and maybe it'll help somebody else find it. Have a great day.